I'm Anil Kumar, and now let us explore what are rectangular prisms and how to find their volume. Question here is, sketch a rectangular prism with the following dimensions and calculate its volume. Now I'll show you the technique of sketching rectangular prisms. Whenever we are sketching, we will take the one axis which is vertical like this, that is the height. Okay. Now as far as the length and width are concerned, what we should do here is that we should take them along these two axes, kind of like this. So if you follow that pattern, look at the corner of your room, right? So that is your three-dimensional thing. So always, if you look at the corner of your room and then try to sketch, you will actually get very good diagrams, right? So that is the whole idea. So let us sketch this one, which is length is 6 centimeters and width is 8 centimeters. So let me take length along this, which is, let us say, 6, right? I'm not using a scale, but we are making approximate diagrams. And width is 8, so more than this, so what I will do is I broader, right? So that is my width, right? So I can say this is my length, this is my width. So first thing is, using length and width, you can draw parallel lines here, kind of like this, and this coming parallel to that line, so kind of like this. Do you see that? So you get the base. So first thing is, get the base of your prism, right? So that is because of the length and width, right? So you can say this is 6 and that is 8 for you. Now we'll make height of this. Let me use another ink for height. So everywhere 5. So 5 units, just make a height like this for 5 units, right? So we have height of 5 units here. So that is the height of 5 units. So if you have your scale perfect, say 5 centimeters, you'll get excellent diagrams. So now join them, correct? Join these points, correct? So, and like this, right? So kind of straight line. So that is how you get your rectangular prism. Now once you have made it, it's a good idea to label, right? So we have length along this axis, so we say 6 centimeters, and width as 8 centimeters, and height as 5 centimeters, correct? So that is how you're going to sketch your rectangular prisms. Let us do this exercise once again to sketch the other one. So the idea is to make one axis like this, the other one kind of like this. That is the corner of my wall, right? That is how it looks like. Okay, now we are purposely taking two different things. Length of 12 and width and height are kind of smaller in this, so let's take long length of 12. So that is 12 for us, okay. Width of 5, so width of 5, so less than half, let's say kind of like this. So let's say 5 from here, kind of like this, and then we'll join with parallel lines. Do you see this? So that becomes the base. First step is make the base, and then the height of 4. So less than, so we have this height of 4. So you take 4 centimeters, correct, measure, and then join. Do you see how easy it is to draw these diagrams, correct? So you could join like this and get your diagram. So that is how you should be drawing. Now once you've drawn, label. So write 12 centimeters for your length, and then 5 centimeters for your width, and height of 4 centimeters, correct? So that should be fine. Now the second part to this is calculating volume. Now you remember the formula for volume. Let me write it here. Volume equals to length times width times height, and the units will be, in this case, centimeters, centimeters, centimeters. So it will be centimeter cube, right? So those are the units. So you can use a calculator and find the volume. For the first case, the volume is 6 times 8 times 5, correct? And 8 times 5 is easy number. You could do 6 times 5 first, right? So 30, and then 3 times 8 is 24, right? So, or you could do, let me do 6 times 8 times 5 is 40. So try to combine the numbers which are easy to work with, and 6 times 4 is 24, so you get 240, and the units are of course centimeter cube. The second one here is we can do this as volume as equals to 12 times 5 times 4. So you could do this 12 times 5 times 4 is 20. Double of 12 is 24 with 10 centimeter cube, right? So that is how you get the volume, correct? So I hope with this video you understand how to sketch a rectangular prism and then how to find volume of the same, right? So try to take some more examples and sketch and then find the volume of these prisms. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.